Hi guys, welcome to Jen's Creativity Corner. We have got another holiday tree decoration here. So I don't even know if I'm going to do a Christmas video, but I do have other themes that I've done, so stay tuned for those. But for now, we're doing autumn or fall or Thanksgiving, however you want to look at it. Got a lot of things that I actually got on killer clearance for like 5-10 cents a piece after the holiday last year. And these beautiful ribbons are part of that. They're wired, so you can kind of shape them, and I still have lots of ribbon. If you think of some fun ribbon ideas, then maybe that's a craft I'll get around to, but just thought I'd show them up close. And gosh, I don't know guys, I don't think I'm gonna do a Christmas tree video just because, I mean, that's kind of the default, but we'll see. Like I said, I have other themed videos I just haven't edited and posted yet. So for the topper, this is actually a silly hat, nice turkey, for Thanksgiving. Got these little pumpkins, little scarecrows, some sunflowers are always fitting, and some fake leaves. So it's simple. I want to say basic, but basic is bad nowadays. It gives a lot of pop of color. It gives good ambiance. I really like it. Let me know in the comments down below if you like it. Would you do something different to spice it up a little bit? And I'd love to know, do you celebrate Thanksgiving? Are you here in the US? Have you already celebrated it in Canada? This, as long as you have autumn, you could take off that turkey and do something else and just have it be autumn and not Thanksgiving. Anyway, thank you for watching and subscribing, and we'll see you around. Have a great day.